Good morning, dears. Today is Saturday, the 14th of November, and our lesson today is Unit 3, Lesson 5, page 30 in the pupil's book. Now, before we start the explanation of our lesson, let's look at the pictures in the lesson. Listen, point, and say. Look at the pictures of these people. Look at the first picture. What is the boy doing? Yes, he's eating an apple. What is the man doing? He's cooking. He's cooking. What about the girl? What is she doing? She's washing her face. What about this girl? What is she drinking? Or what is she doing? She's drinking water. What about this boy? What is he doing? He is sleeping. Excellent. And what about this man? What is he doing? He's writing a letter. He's writing a letter. If we go back at these verbs, we call eat, cook, wash, drink, sleep, write. We call them action verbs. We call them action verbs. Now, we are going to learn about the action verbs here. Action verbs means that what the subject of the sentence is doing. Action verbs بيعطينا فكرة بيشرح لنا what the subject الفاعل of the sentence فاعل الجملة is doing. شو عم بعمل? What is he doing? I give you some examples of the action verbs. We have play, read, walk, stand up, sit down, eat, dry, write, and study. Look at these examples here. Look at these sentences here. John eats an apple every day. John is the subject here. He is the subject, and the verb is eats. We call eats is an action verb. The cat sat by the window. The cat is the subject and sat is the verb. It is an action verb. Omar is throwing the football now. What is Omar doing? Yes, he's throwing. He's throwing the football. So, Omar is the subject, الفاعل, and is throwing is the verb. The girls are watching TV. The girls, the subject, and watching is the verb. Joy plays basketball every day. Joy is the subject and plays is the verb, the action verb. You sing very well. You is the subject and sing is the verb, is an action verb. She drinks a lot of soda. She is the subject and drinks is the action verb. They eat pizza every week. They here is the subject and eat is the verb. So we call these an action verbs that it explains what the subject of the sentence is doing. شو عم بعمل الفاعل. Now we are going to listen to the CD together. Listen together.
Unit 3, Lesson 5, Activity 1, page 30. Listen, point, and say. 1.
Eat.
2.
Cook.
3.
Wash.
4.
Drink.
5.
Sleep.
6.
Write.
Now, my dears, let's go back at these verbs. Eat, cook, wash, drink, sleep, and write. As I mentioned in the lesson that these verbs call action verbs, that it shows us what the subject is doing. Now, look at exercise number 2. Listen and answer using yes, I do or no, I don't. Listen together.
Unit 3, Lesson 5, Activity 2, page 30. Listen and answer yes, I do or no, I don't. 1.
Do you eat in the classroom?
No, I don't.
2.
Do you drink in the classroom?
Do you drink in the classroom? Sure, no, I don't. No, I don't.
3.
Do you cook in the kitchen?
Do you cook in the kitchen? Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
4.
Do you sleep in your bedroom?
Do you sleep in your bedroom? Yes, I do.
5.
Do you wash in the living room?
Do you wash in the living room? Sure, no, I don't. No, I don't.
6.
Do you write at school?
Do you write at school? Sure, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Now, my dears, please go back at the explanation of our lesson and study it carefully. And if you need any question, please send it to me directly. That's for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.